crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and thanks for giving me just a few minutes. I want to wish all of you a happy New Year's Eve going into New Year's Day. So, this is a pre recorded message because, fingers crossed, we are on our way to host our first quilting retreat later this morning, early afternoon. So, I didn't want to miss the opportunity to say, thank you and be a little reflective for the year and for almost 5,000 subscribers. Our channel has just grown by leaps and bounds this past year, and you all are the ones that make that happen. I appreciate the positive notes that you all send me. I appreciate the supportive emails and that, and absolutely love the lively chat and that we are able to have during the lives. But it's because of subscribers like you that make it possible for me to do what I am doing, and that is a passion that I enjoy. I enjoy crafting. I've always enjoyed doing crafting, and now found that niche to be more sewing, quilting, and project related. And as such, enjoy being able to share that with you all as part of my YouTube family. It's important that I think we collectively come together. I think it's nice and amazing that we are all be able to be supportive of one another and just have a good time and share in the tools, techniques, and things that make this possible, right? So we are, like I said, on our way to hosting our first quilting retreat. I hope to be able to post some updates during the next few days from the retreat so you all can see what we've done, what the host facility really looks like, and all the surprises and things that we plan to present or bring as part of that process. But I wanted to welcome you all in. Thank you so much for being part of this channel. Thank you for allowing and supporting me and doing something that I really enjoy outside of all the other craziness that has become our world, right? Just so much going on in that. And to be able to have such a safe space to be together, to share a common interest, and just let all that noise be outside of this channel. So, again, thank you so much. I hope you all are ending the year on a positive note. And I hope you're so ready for an amazing 2026. There's so much out there for us, and we just need to take full advantage of that. So, guys, as always, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for giving me your support. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to just embrace the new year. You all, as a YouTube family. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.